next to the Roy Jones Jr. booth. A young.
Hey, what's that name?
Don't stop.
I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Just let it in.
Give it up for right here by the stage, living legend right here, Roberto Chiquita Gonzalez. You are the man, brother. Muchas gracias por todo. Look, I'm not going to keep you up here too long because you still have a big line. You are changing, along with this woman down here, the face and the respect of women's boxing. Right now, you guys are on top of your game. You can do whatever you guys want and get respect. How does it make you feel that you guys are changing the way, the narrative of women's boxing?
Well, one, I want to thank all of my fans who are here. I appreciate you guys so much for showing up for all the athletes here and supporting us. It means a lot. Shout out to Keyshawn because without her, it wouldn't be no Claressa Shields, to be honest with you. And she paved the way for me. So that's one of the girls who I really give out a big shout out to. And then as far as in me, I have so many people that have prayed for me and wished me well along this journey. Being undefeated and having all these belts and all these world championships and all these fans isn't easy, but I think I was made for the job, and I have friends and sisters who hold me accountable, and I have just enjoy being you guys' champion and hope that you guys love me as I am and love me as a champion and know that I just love boxing like you all do. And it's my favorite sport, it's my favorite thing to do, and it's really the best thing that I'm the best at.
Look, you are branching out, you're doing commentating now. You and I have something in common, not just traveling and getting caught at the airport in Amsterdam for like 5 hours standing in the same line together. You and I are gonna be in the new boxing game, Undisputed. Tell me how you feel about that. There hasn't been a boxing game made in 10 years. You're gonna be in the game, I'm an announcer in the game. That's dope, that to me, that's dope.
I can cry here and there because when I was watching the boxing games coming up, there was never any women in it. So when they called me and said that I want to be in the boxing game, I was kind of overwhelmed and overjoyed. So on the Undisputed game, if you guys download my character, I get paid 6 cents off of that.
Oh, we bet you will. We bet you will.
Download and fight with me and make some of the best matchups. Hopefully you guys match me against Keith Thurman so I can beat him up.
Hey, how can you not love her? Give her a big round of applause again. The great Claressa shows.
Because the cards are on this side.
All right, guys, number 22. Boxing out of the
Let him out. Let him out. Oh, look at this. Lennox. No, what? Right here, champ. Oh, no. Too much wear and tear. Yeah. Thank you. Surprise. See you there, love. We gotta stick to it. No, I'm actually. Someone else popped up for me? I won 2 of these by 25 years old. That's what they do. Okay, stay organized. We are back to it. He means the best.
Like an hour. Who's next in line? I don't know, like us. Well, you guys.
Take your shirt off and put it on. Let's see the put it over it. Put it into Garcia's, dog. Put on the new one. You're gonna sit for so long. You gotta put it on. Put it up. Show it. Let's go, baby. Go with us. Now you get a photo, my boy. Come on, my boy. Let's go. That's it free.
It's for his child. That's his shirt. It's debating, but it's black. Oh, really? Oh, nice. That's right.
Yeah, I got a photo with him earlier too.
Yeah, that's walking like nothing right here.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Happy 4th. Hey! Have a good weekend. 1, 2, 3, 4.